How to check PC specs on Windows. So if you find this video tutorial helpful, please subscribe to this channel and click that the bell icon on so you stay updated if there are new uploads here. So there are a few ways on how to check your PC specs. First is go to your settings and go to system. Okay, so once you find system, go all the way down in the left side, click on about. So here you will see the specs of your PC, like RAM, like the processor, and also you can see the name of your PC, the Windows version, and the date of the Windows installation. And also you can see here your storage. If you click on the storage option, so you can see that I have my local disk, which is 200 gig or 200 gigabytes. So the last method to check is type in your search bar system information, and then here you will have a more detailed information about your PC. And if you go to components and under components you would check out display, you would see what is the GPU that is installed in your computer. So I have a Vega 8 graphics for my computer right here. So I hope this tutorial have helped you, and comment your questions down below. Thank you for watching.